Every day, people lose real money to crypto scams that were obvious in hindsight. Here are the 7 red flags that give them away every single time. Red flag 1. Guaranteed returns. No real investment is guaranteed. Anyone promising fixed daily profits is describing a scam, not an opportunity. Red flag 2. Urgency and pressure. Act now or miss out forever. Scams rush you so you cannot stop and think. Red flag 3. No real team. If you cannot find who runs the project or the names are fake, walk away. Red flag 4. You earn by recruiting. If the money comes from bringing in new people, not a real product, that is a pyramid. Red flag 5. You can buy in, but you cannot cash out. Real assets let you sell. Scams find reasons to trap your money. Red flag 6. Fake endorsements. Scammers borrow famous faces and logos they were never given. Verify the source, always. Red flag 7. It cannot survive a simple question. Ask how it actually makes money. If the answer is confusing on purpose, that is your answer. Keep learning the smart way. Learn the red flags, and no scam can touch you. Stay curious, stay safe.